Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am bringing y'all along with me today to do my mini twist. This is the first successful mini twist that I have ever had. I just got a fresh trim today, so maybe that's it, but I also did free parting. I did not use a comb to part my hair at all. I only used my fingers, and I'm going to show you all some clips of me actually doing these mini twists. I think that I found the combo that I'm going to use when I'm doing my mini twist because these came out so juicy and they just feel great. So for my products today, I did go in with the Camille Rose Almond Joy Twist and Butter. I used this first just to moisturize my hair, and then I went in with the Briogeo Style and Treat. This is the full Miracle Styling Foam, so this kind of gives you a little bit of volume. For my ends only, I used the Doe B-Girl. So this is the gel that I used for my ends only. All three of these together gave me these twists, and they just look so good. I'm gonna turn around real quick, give y'all a view of what the back looks like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video and show you exactly how I did these. Also, you can see on the front where my hair is a little bit thinner, I did some little small cornrows in this area just so I'm not having thin pieces. I wanted to make sure that I did only 2 cornrows right here, and I did one right here and one over here. So just a little cornrow, and then I twisted, but it looks so good. Let me know what y'all think. Drop a comment below. Let's chat about it. Let's go ahead and get into this actual mini twist. As you can see, I'm not using a comb to part my hair. I'm just pulling out the sections as I see fit to go by size. So each twist is going to be a completely different size. Nothing is the same. I'm using just a little bit on each strand of hair, 1 pump of mousse, and 1 little small piece of the actual cream. And then once I twist and get down to the very end is where I use the B-Girl at the ends only, just to give my hair that curl at the end. And that's what seemed to work for me. So as you see me go through my twist, you'll notice the combo and how I am distributing the products. Remember, I am doing cream first, then mousse, then B-Girl at the ends only. Here's the front area where you'll see me actually use the comb to part, And this is just so I can have those 2 small cornrows that I showed you in the beginning of the video, to ensure that my twist at my hairline is not too thin. I did this on the left and right side of my head, and those were the only 2 areas that I actually went in and did a part on. Everywhere else was freehanded, as you're seeing here. So just keep that in mind. If you have small thin edges or thin pieces around your hairline, don't stress your hair in that area. Just go ahead and do just a tiny corn roll just to make that twist look thicker and cause less tension on your hair. Outside of me seeing the back of my hair, it wasn't until this moment when I realized that these twists were going to come out cute. This was my first successful mini twist and I absolutely love it. Let's chat in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!